Everything you do comes back to you.
Anna, I will be away for a while.
Yes, sir.
Please avoid any trouble with Elizabeth. If she wants you to stay away from the kitchen, please do so.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Safe trip, sir.
Thank you very much.
Safe trip, sir.
Everything you do comes back to you. Oh, everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you.
What did he tell you?
Nothing.
I will get angry with you if you don't tell me. What did he tell you?
He did not tell me anything about you.
Are you deaf? Is something wrong with you? For the last time, what did Chief tell you about me?
He did not say anything. He only told me that he was going to be away for a while.
Meet me inside. Are you ready to tell me what Chief asked you to do to me?
He did not ask me to do anything to you, Ma. I swear on my life.
Oh, shut up! Liars always swear with their lives.
But I'm telling the truth, Mama.
Where do your parents live?
Ijaruma.
Ijagen? Huh. That hell of a place. You're from a wretched family then?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonder. I would like to see your parents.
Huh?
Are you deaf?
Yes, ma'am. I'll take you to see them. Let me go and change.
Change to what? Did you come here with anything? My friend, go and wait for me outside. Are you still standing? Go and wait for me. You want to change as if you came here with anything. Is it not my husband's money you've been spending? Get out! Hello, Bugsy. I don't like this gun that you give to me. I don't like it. I've told you that I've started getting rid of everyone that makes me unhappy in my home. So I need a good gun, a better one. I'll be waiting.
Ma, are you getting rid of me?
Are you scared? You don't need to be scared, darling. I will only shoot you in the neck. It won't hurt.
No. Please, ma, don't kill me. If I die, my mother too will die.
Shut up.
Please, ma, let me just go. I promise I will not come back to this house again.
Good. Because if I ever see you in that house again, I will blow your brains off.
Yes, ma. In fact, let me come down here, ma. I will not go there again, ma.
Shut up. If we get to your house, keep smiling. Start smiling. Smile. Do you want me to? Is this your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see, madam.
She's Mr. Collins' wife.
Oh, my daughter. Hey, here. Oh.
That's your madam.
Yeah. Come inside. We'll come and sit. Sit where? Inside where? Sorry, I'm in a hurry. Anna, remember our agreement. Keep smiling.
How about your master? Is he alright? She has not said anything.
Hey, Mama, did she have any problem with them?
No, she didn't tell me. Just that her master's daughter-in-law brought her back. And since she came back, she has not told me anything. Apart from that crying, she's crying there.
Is her Oga aware of it?
She said the Oga traveled. She has not said anything apart from crying.
Mama, what we have to do now is to call the Oga on phone and tell him everything. Let us just call him and tell him what happened.
Hey, how can we kill us then now? How will we manage before he's called on the phone?
On my jam.
Oh. Hey.
Uncle, how could you condone such callousness under your roof? Eh? Your son brought that Jezebel of a woman as a wife to torment you in your own house. We call you the lion, Uncle. What happened to the lion in you? Eh?
Obi, you see, what I need to follow these children now is wisdom. That's all I need.
Oh.
By the way, is that the reason why you invited me to the village?
Is that not enough to invite you? Or even call our kingsmen? Is it not enough? Eh? Did you expect me to sit down, fold my arms, and let them kill you first?
Nobody's killing anybody, you know. I'm in charge of the situation. Moreover, Collins and Elizabeth are children, young people.
Don't tell me that. Mama, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I don't want to hear that Collins and Eliza, that wicked girl, that they are young. If Collins is young, is his brain stale too? Why didn't he do something when that wicked Eliza locked you up, the owner of the house, in your own kitchen overnight?
You heard about that, don't you?
Are you surprised? I hear everything. Now listen, I know what to do. I am going to call the meeting of all our Umunna and tell them that Collins wants to kill you for us.
No, it hasn't come to that yet.
It has gone beyond that too. They have crossed the line as far as I'm concerned.
Do you have coconut in the house?
Coconut. Now, you see, now you are trying to sweep everything under the carpet. You are changing the subject. Coconut. Odimgbe, I will get you coconut. I'm on my way out. But let me go inside and see if I can get coconut for you. But I will still come and talk about this.
And palm wine too, if you have palm wine.
Coconut and palm wine.
Bring palm wine.
Coconut and palm wine. Coconut and palm wine. I will get them for you. No.
You don't have to be sad. Don't worry about it. I'll search for another job.
This girl suddenly became an obstacle to your blessings. She promised to settle you. But she came with her in-law and scattered everything. Could be punished her. Okay, me.
Is this not Annabelle, my daughter?
Maka.
Good afternoon, Papa.
When did you come back?
Papa, I'll be here now.
Papa, she just lost her job.
She lost her job. And so? She lost her job. Okay. Hey, open this door.
That one is locked. This one here is open.
Hey! Look at. Come on, push the girl down.
Papa will never change.
Hey! Chineke.
I do not wish to talk about Collins and his wife right now.
You don't want to talk about Collins and his wife. Mana, is it true that Eliza, that wicked girl, locked you up in the kitchen for a whole night? Tell me, is it true?
Is it possible for us to talk about the land issue that brought me to the village?
You want to talk about the land issue?
Yes.
You expect me to fold my arms, watch them kill you? No.
The land issue. Have you been able to get a suitable site for the project I told you about?
I got one. It's at Ekpa.
Okay.
It is genuine. It belongs to the Mr. Gilbert, the teacher.
Oh, that's very good. Can we go and see it right away?
What is Fugo? Collins?
Leave Collins. Let us go and see the land first, please.
Mama, that man hates me with passion. In fact, he wants me dead. Nothing I do to make him happy pleases him at all. If I cook for him, he will complain. If I allow the cook for him, he will still complain. Mama, the man is heartless.
Isegene, why didn't you tell me all this while? I should have come to that house and make his life unbearable for him. Trust me. Don't worry. I know what to do.
I know what you can do.
I will come and turn that house upside down.
I
will teach him a lesson. Of course. He will know that my only daughter is not what he can use to exhibit his wickedness. Mbano.
I know. You are my backbone.
And I know what you can do.
Mbano. I know what you can do.
Calm down. Let's go inside. I trust you. I trust you. Let's go inside.
My friend, I got back.
Here.
I'm right on time.
Obi, good morning.
Morning. The day is good.
Where are you going carrying your bag?
I'm going with you to the city. I want to go to that your house and caution those children. Because let me put my bag inside your car.
Obi, I am not going to the city right now. I am going to Abuja first of all for a conference.
Abuja. I knew it. I knew you would not allow me follow you. I knew it. Mama.
No, Obi, you see, what is going to happen next week? I will send my driver to come to bring you to the city.
Next week.
You understand? Yes.
Next week. I don't believe you.
Or do you want me to send him right away after dropping me in Abuja?
Odimgbe, next week. I will wait. Next week. Mana, Ago, if I don't see your driver next week, be rest assured you will find me in your house. I will find my way to your house.
Obi, have I lied to you before?
No.
I have not lied to you before.
Don't worry.
So trust me. Actually, I ought to have given you some money for your upkeep.
I have money. Don't worry. Don't worry. Next week. Next week.
Don't worry. Don't worry, my driver will come to you.
Bye-bye! We're not here. Who is here? Oh, yeah.
Yes, what is it?
What do you mean by what is it? Is that a new form of greeting? Didn't you see me here when we came to marry your daughter?
Did you write your name on your forehead? Eh? Or have you come to torment me the same way your brother torments my daughter?
Oh. Now I know where the scorpion got its poisonous pincer. Ne, warn your daughter. Warn her. Tell her to behave. Otherwise, I will tell her that I am Obikwelo. Tell her that I, Obikwelo, will not allow any man or woman, in fact, nobody born of a woman will dip his or her finger in our hot pot of soup without being lashed mercilessly. I say so. I, Obikwelo, say
I can see that wickedness runs in your family. Now listen, let me tell you. My daughter cannot be lashed mercilessly. Instead, she will lash you and the entire family mercilessly.
Okay.
Wham!
You want war?
That's not war.
You will get war. And before I start the war with you, I will let the whole community know that I, Obikwelo, has brought war here. Hey, everybody come! I have brought war. I will show you that you have seen war and you cannot survive by war.
Get out of my house.
Odimgbe, we shall see.
This is the first sister.
I have started the war here. You will see war. You will hear from me.
What's wrong?
We shall see.
There is no problem. I know what to do. Nonsense.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward.
Who was that? I heard voices.
Is he not that lanky man that calls himself Obi? Your father-in-law's brother.
What does he want here?
He came to tell me to warn you to stop treating his brother badly. He even threatens to lash you mercilessly.
Lash Muabu Lizzie mercilessly. Is he mad? Ha! Mami Meze Kobroy. You should have called me to come and give him the embarrassment of his life. Or on our warehouse.
Calm down. Now I know that they don't mean well for you. But I will teach them a lesson. Trust me. I can't wait to go back with you to that house. I can't wait to go back with you. Calm down.
Look at Obio. Coming here to warn us. To warn me.
Okamana ama taka badibia. Madibia ama no mabuoko ono. Botin taka chono orange. Forget them. Forget them.
Hey.
Mama Elisa, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm going to your house.
I hope there's no problem.
There's something I want us to discuss about.
Can't you see I'm going out? So that thing cannot wait till I come back.
It is something very, very important. Yes.
More important than where I'm going to. If it is very important, come back later in the day.
I should come back in the day. Mama Elisa, are you working out on me? Mama Elisa? So, Obi came to my house, complaining bitterly about it. Mama Elisa, I want you to call Elisa to order.
Yes, again.
I said I want you to call Elisa to order.
Why will I call my daughter to order?
Huh?
In a reason.
Why?
In a reason.
Yes.
Gwagenti. Go and tell Obi to get more bitter.
Obi to get more bitter?
Mama Kulie, I will not call my daughter to order. Tell him that he's the one that needs to call his brother to order.
Mama Elisa, is this what you can say?
Mazin Dunwe,
huh?
That is all I have to say.
All you have to say?
All I have to say, Kanane. You know what to do.
Hey!
You know what to do.
Okay. Let me take my leave.
What are they going to do? Very important. Cody.
Hey!
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh, Maya Namasana. Oh, Maya Little Waloya.
Anna! Anna!
I sacked her.
You did what?
In a formal English language board. I fired.
Better not.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where is Anna?
She's fine.
Where is she?
She's at home here. He said she's afraid. And she doesn't want to die.
Who is killing who?
Chief, your daughter-in-law.
Nobody is killing anybody. Now tell me, where is Anna?
Chief, she's here. Chief, I don't want to lose my daughter. It's better we live in this poverty. It's okay, Biko.
You are not poor. Where is Anna? Anna, come here. Anna, why don't you call me on the phone and tell me what's happened?
I don't want any trouble, sir. I don't want to die.
Anna, you are not going to die. Eh? Now get into the car.
No, sir. I already promised I will not come back, sir. I don't want to die, sir.
No, Anna, just get into the car.
Chief.
Stay out of this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. How about getting to the car?
Let me get my bag, sir.
Okay, your bags. Your bags.
I don't understand. Is this the reason you called me back? Yeah?
Is that not enough? Is that not enough reason to call you? That you and your wife, you will maltreat my own brother in his house. And you say that is not enough reason to invite you. Collins, you.
To be honest, if I had known this is the reason you invited me here, I won't grant this invitation. Let me remind you, I'm a man. Alright? Stay off my business. Do not call my phone again to tell me this rubbish. Let this be the last time you do it.
Collins.
Excuse me.
Collins. Collins. Oh, mind your business. Don't worry. Very soon we shall know who is who. Look at man. Man. Hey, I don't blame you. Man.
Where is he? Where is he? I will take it. Come out! Where is he? Mama, I will take it to his room. Let's go. Ejima me won ojo. Ejima me won ojo. Come out! Welcome. Mama, welcome. Where is he? Where is that wicked man? Call him to come out! Come out, man. I beg you no. Let me take it. Come back! Come out! Where is he? Nonsense! I am here for you. I am here for you. Hey, Mama. Where is that evil man? He's here. Oh, Joe. No, Joe. Man, I'm here to ask you why you laid the cause of my daughter. Why won't you allow her to enjoy her marriage?
This woman, I can see that disrespect runs in your family. Madness also runs in your family. Now will you get out of my room? Get out!
Eh? You said our family. It's your family that madness runs in. If I don't get out, what would you do? You think your evil charms or whatever you believe in can get me? Ah! Error.
Okay.
That's all. Is it error? Nonsense. What is he doing? Is he calling his son? Let him call whoever he wants to call. We want a guy here.
Yeah, DPO, please send me some of your armed men to my house. Yes, there's a mad woman here I want you to arrest. Yes. Very good.
Mama, let's go. It's not like we're afraid of the police, but let us go. Calm down.
This is enough.
What is enough? Listen, let me tell you, this is just the beginning. I'm not afraid of the police. If you like, call him back. Tell him to call battalions. How come get bam? Okay? We are not afraid of the police, but let us go. Useless man. We are not afraid of the police, man. I just want to go give my mother food.
Give her food, let her get ready. The police is coming. Don't they will arrest you.
Shame on you! Shame on you!
Nonsense.
Of
vipers. What a family. Look at mother and daughter, brood of vipers. Nonsense.
Useless man. I wonder. Wicked man. Occultic man. Allow my daughter to have peace. He said no. You will die. Your mates are in the village. Your mates are in the village. Oh, useless man. Nonsense. Occultic man. You say that my mother for it will not work for you, Mama.
This is a bastard. Sorry. I told you he's an occultic man.
It will not work for you. Can't you tell me?
Sorry.
No.
Sorry. Easy. Just take it easy.
No, it's your
Sorry.
Why?
Sit. Try.
No. Mama, my enemies have succeeded.
No, you will not succeed. Mama, should I bring a rug or balm or hot water to massage it? Which one? Hannah!
Now.
Sorry. My love, you're welcome.
Mama, what happened?
Is it not your evil father? Your evil father trying to my mother for. I've seen it.
My father.
Do you want to worsen it?
What happened? What really happened?
He's spinning her.
Please for me.
I don't understand. My father called police for you and they did this to you? Why?
It's okay, you have me. It's okay, stop crying.
Your wife.
Sorry, Mama.
Okay. Just give me 1 minute.
Father! Dad!
Mama, he has gone.
Dad!
So you had the guts to call police for my in-law and you allowed them beat her up like a criminal. Dad, I'm talking to you. Why are you wicked?
Sorry, Mama, sorry. What happened? Why? What happened?
Do you think he has beaten his father? I wish he did.
From the look on his face, on the copy, duka.
It is better he kills him.
Okay.
Give me call him,
So that I'll be free.
Well, not much.
Wait, listen, let me get know what happened. I'll join you soon.
Ngwa,
Nadia.
do you know Chata? I told you that my application is finished.
I'll send some to you next week.
Wow. What will I do this week? Take care. Come on. Let me wait now. At least I wanted this off.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh,
You can see it. You can see the pipe. Yes. I like your friend's job. I like the work he has done on this wall. So I want you to run the pipe through, create a hole here like a gutter, where the water can be passing through. So get to work immediately.
What is going on here?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, though. I asked, what is going on?
Sorry.
Listen, my friend. If I see any mark on this wall, I will get you arrested.
Are you listening to this old man? Go on with what you're doing. What are you trying to do?
I don't want trouble.
You don't want trouble, so my friend, come back here. Come and do your job. Don't you want money? Am I not going to pay you? Look at this. Are you old? Have you seen what you've cost? Have you seen it? You're just wicked. You're nothing but a wicked old grey-haired man. That's what you are.
Slap me. Mad dog. Mad dog. Gold digger. Idiot. You come and break your father's wall. You go and break your father's wall.
Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara ona biani bazu ever. Makwara na bia, makwara na bia, makwara na biani bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara na biani bazu, makwara ever.
Door is locked.
Auntie?
Gosh.
Ma?
Don't, let me call her number. It's ringing. She's not picking.
I told her we were going out.
I don't know.
Let's be patient, sir. She will soon be back.
Okay. Why we wait? Let me keep trying this.
Makwara gabia, makwara na bia ni bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara ona bia ni bazu. Ever. Makwara na bia, makwara na bia, makwara na bia ni bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara na bia ni bazu. Makwara ever.
You're welcome. I made you fruit salad.
Oh, okay.
Yes, let's go inside.
Listen, you mean you've been inside all this while?
Baby, fruit salad. Let's go inside. No, nothing is wrong. They're fine. Let's go.
Sir, also. Sir?
Anna, go to bed.
Sir?
Go to bed.
No, sir. Sir, you can't even be contemplating that, sir. This woman came from nowhere and she will go back to nowhere. Sir, no. Please, sir. Please, sir. Sir, give me the knife, please, sir. Please. No, sir. Sir?
I am not stupid.
Yeah, no, sir. Let me get this away, sir. What do I prepare for you, sir?
Use the grill and roast up the steak.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Whose grill are you talking about? Listen, Anna, I don't want to see you anywhere close to my kitchen. And make sure you clean it before I return.
Excuse me. Sir, let me quickly see what I can put together, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Oh, Anna.
Sir, I got you some fruits.
Oh, Anna, thank you very much.
It's nothing, sir. Let me quickly wash them and serve them.
Anna, please sit down. You see, one day, this happiness that I share may turn sweeter or sour.
I don't understand, sir.
My son and his wife are up to something. But when the time comes, I want you to realize that I appreciate all your services to me.
Sir, please, do not ask me to leave. I'm perfectly fine, sir. I like working for you. It is fine. I mean, I don't have any problems.
And I have not said that. All I'm saying is that you should expect surprises, just as I'm expecting them.
Okay, sir. Let me quickly wash the fruits and serve it.
What is the meaning of this? Why would you bring this into my living room? What happened to the dining? You, this man, why do you always like messing everywhere up with filthy things?
Elizabeth, I am sure you do not shout at your mother like this in that your ghetto.
My mother does not mess things up like a pig.
You're calling me a pig, eh?
Obviously, you behave like one. Who said... Anna! Anna!
Auntie,
Don't you call me auntie. I'm not your auntie. I've told you that before.
Ma?
Why did you serve him this in my living room?
Hmm?
Take it out. Are you still standing? Are you deaf? I said you should take this out of my living room.
Is it it?
Shh. Leave my way.
Anna! Anna, come here. Go back to your duties.
Dad, I've been waiting for you to say something. I want to go to bed. I have forms to fill online, please.
For the second time in 1 week, your wife has used my car without my consent. This morning, I was to go for medical checkup. She just brushed me aside and drove away in my car.
We have lots of cars in this compound. You could as well go with one. Is it supposed to be a problem?
What did you say?
Yes. I mean, you always complain about, this is not supposed. I mean, she's more like your daughter.
I have complained of your wife's attitude towards me uncountable times. But you have not been able to do anything about any one of them.
Because for uncountable times, you've brought up unnecessary issues concerning her, simply because you dislike her. And I really don't know why you dislike my wife. She's like your daughter. Why are you always complaining? Honestly, Dad, I'm tired. I need to go to bed. I'm waking up very early tomorrow. I'm just tired of... Time, my wife this, my wife that, she did this, she did that. I'm not tired of complaining.
It's well. It's well. Yes, come in. Oh. Anna.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
I came to find out what you'd like to have for breakfast, sir.
And I'm not hungry yet. Is my son still at home?
Yes, sir. He's having breakfast.
Okay, please go and tell him that I want to see him.
Okay, sir. Is everything okay, sir?
Go and call him. I want him to take me to hospital.
Okay, sir.
Baby. Sir. Yes, what is it?
Sir, your father wants to see you.
Are you blind? Go and tell him that he is eating.
I think he's ill, sir. He insists on seeing you.
I said you should go and tell him that he's having his breakfast. Hurry up, darling. You'll be late for work.
His wife did not want him to come.
Not exactly, sir. She says he's having breakfast.
Go and tell Collins that I want him to take me to the hospital.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hope you like him.
Yes.
Sir, your father is ill. He insists on seeing you so you can go to see the doctor.
Rubbish.
Do you realize I'm older than you are? Do you realize that I am older than you?
Sweetheart, are you watching her? Look at the way she's talking to me. Do something!
Anna, get out of my sight.
I have served your father for years. He has never laid his hands on me. Your wife slaps me and you say nothing?
I said, get out of my sight.
If you look at me that way, I will pour you this hot cup of tea. Get out! Rubbish.
Everything we do in this world,
Sweetie, eat up. You'll be late for work. Eat.
everything has its reward. Oh, Maya Mama Sana. Oh, enjoy a little while,
Well, your temperature is normal. How are you making it look like a serious thing?
Take me to the hospital.
Dad, I can't go to the hospital now. I'm late for work already. I will call Dr. Philip to come treat you here since your doctor is not in town.
Call him now.
I will. I'll call him. I'll call him later. Alright, let me rush out, huh?
comes back to you.
Anna! Doctor, why am I not getting better?
Chief, you'll be fine, sir.
But you've been saying this for the past 3 days now.
Chief, it's a gradual process. You'll be fine. Just take the medication do I instructed you, sir. I'll come back in the evening and see you. Alright, sir. Yes.
Thank you.
See you in the evening, sir.
Collins, if I were you, I'll take him to old people's home.
You think that will be the best?
Of course.
Though I'm not sure we have such thing in this town.
No. We have a lot of them in this town. We have St. Bartholomew's old people's home. We have St. Paul's old people's home. And we have St. Barnabas old people's home. All in this town.
Okay, that really sounds interesting. I never knew we have such thing in this town. Okay, I'll take him there. I will take him there. At least he will give us rest of mind, and from there, he will find his way to the village.
Well, I hope you do as you just said. Because if you do, Collins bets me, your home will become sweet and your marriage will be good again for your beautiful wife. Think about it.
That's it.
Everything has its reward. Oh,
Collins, take me to the hospital. I don't think this doctor knows what he's doing.
Dad, why have you chosen to be a thorn on my flesh? Eh? When will you appreciate the fact that I and my wife are really taking care of you?
Take me to a good hospital. That's all I ask for, Collins.
Okay, since you've decided to be ungrateful, I will take you to a place where you'll be grateful. They will also take care of you there and you appreciate it more, since we are not taking care of you.
Everything you do comes back to you.
Anna, what do you want to tell me?
Nothing, sir.
Anna, have you started lying?
No, Chief.
Now tell me, what do you want to tell me?
Sir, I overheard your son and his wife saying they were going to take you to the old people's home. St. Bartholomew's precisely.
I saw it coming. But I'm not bothered about it. I just want to be healthy again. That's what you want to do? So you are moving me out of the house and sweat.
Sweetie, bring the bag. We don't have all day. Open the boot. Hurry up now. Open the boot.
Don't worry. Go home. I'll be fine.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward.
Go inside and get useful to yourself.
Baby, let's go.
Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara onabia ni bazu. Makwara nabia ni bazu. Everything you do comes back to you.
Who do we have here?
Oh, Father CJ.
Chief Ferdinand.
Yes. How are you?
I was discussing with Sister Victoria yesterday. And I told her you would like to be part of our anniversary. And here you are.
That's so nice. Father, can I sit down first?
Oh, sure.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Is this not Collins?
Yes, sir.
You were right when you said he's going to be a great man.
But I'm not here to take much of your time. You see, I brought my father here so the nurses and the sisters can take very good care of him, since he has become a nuisance to me and my wife.
What?
Where do I keep his bag?
Chief Ferdinand, what is going on?
Father, with all due respect, tell us where to keep his bag. We don't have all day.
Collins, can you tell me what is going on?
Father CJ, the dog once took his owner to the exact spot where he patted it.
So do I pay in check or in cash? Whichever way you want it, I'm ready.
Oh, how time flies.
Well, Father, I have never seen time fly so fast in the wrong direction.
I just asked if I should pay in check or in cash. What's funny?
Whatever. You can pay in check. You can pay in cash.
Father, can I have a word with you for a minute, please?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, sure.
I'm sorry to ask. Do you know my father before now?
Chief Ferdinand? Who doesn't know Chief Ferdinand? Kind man. He single-handedly did our second orphanage 10 years ago.
Oh.
He's a kind man.
I thought as much because the way you both are, laughing. I knew you must be friends for a long time.
He became my friend forever when he took a bold step to save his soul. Take a look at this picture. Do you know this boy?
Of course, this is me.
Good. This boy was abandoned by his mother. He was diagnosed with lung infection. Nobody came for his adoption. Chief Ferdinand came, picked him up, and promised me he was going to make him a multimillionaire before he turned 30. So tell me, is he not a good man?
Father, can you show me my room?
Oh, well, please, let me take you.
Let's go and beg him. Let us go and beg him. Chief! Let's go and beg him. Let's go and beg him.
Chief, I think you were saying something.
Yes. Anna, come on. Father, I called you aside because I want you to be witness to what I am going to tell you now. 2 of my companies now belongs to this orphanage. My house belongs to Anna. That is my will, and that is the way I want it to be.
Dad, please, Father, please, help me talk to my father.
Good day, son. Father, I think we should. Anna, Father.
Anna.
Father.
Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara ona biani bazu ever. Makwara na bia, makwara na bia, makwara na biani bazu. Everything you do comes back to you.
Oga, sir, move this car. This place is Oga the garage now. Move am.
Yes, open the door for them. Yes, Eket.
Ma?
John. Ma. Everybody go back to your duty. As normal.
You think you're a wife beater? You think you're a wife beater? Eh? You must kill me today. You must kill me today. You must kill me today. You must kill me. Tell me that you were adopted. Eh? Muna my mother with a dengue, no pose. Dengue na ya kutego sikiabe no. We didn't know you were an adopted son of Chief Ferdinand. Hey!
Will you get out of my back now? I'm thinking. I will kill you. I will kill you.
Get out to where? Where do you want me to go to? Where do you want me to go to?
God punish you there. God will punish you. Go to hell for all I care. Are you not the cause of all this?
Hey, don't shout at me! Don't you ever shout at me, you bastard! Don't shout at me again, no! Look at the bastard shouting at a legitimate daughter like me. Don't shout at me again! Idiot!
What? Did you just call me now?
Are you not a bastard? Ogo with big letter B! Bastard! That's what you are! Hey! 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 You okay now? You okay? You okay? Hey! Okay! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Sorry, uncle! Mario! Don't call people! Never!
Collins, good that you're here. That is your quit notice. You expected to leave this house in less than 3 hours.
Asota, this is woman. What else are you talking about? Is this some sort of intimidation? Mama, shut up!